Imagine you are given a question like this in the exam and you were told to simplify. Now, before I solve this question, there are some things we need to put into consideration. So what are those things we need to put into consideration? It is called from fraction to decimal or from decimal to fraction. So you need to understand that part very well. Very important. So meaning that if I have 0.1, 0.1 means 1 over 10. How do I know? Can this 10 divide 1? Impossible. That is 0 point. So when you add 0 to that one, becomes 10. 10 in 10 is 1. So same thing goes with 0.01. So 0.01 means 1 over 100. So can 100 divide 1? 0 point. Add 0 to it. Can 100 divide 10? 0. Can 100 divide 10? Impossible, is 0. So you add 0 to it. 100 and 100, that is 1. 0.01. And so on. And also I have 0.001, which is 1 over 1000. So 1000 cannot divide 1, that is 0 point. Add 0. Can 1000 divide 10? 0. Can 1000 divide 100? 0. Can 1000 divide, when you add 0 to it, that is 1. So you can see. So now back to this question, meaning that for me to solve this question, I need to convert this decimal part to fraction. So automatically that will becomes 8 over 1000 based on my explanation here. Then 1 raised to the power what? Sorry, to the power 1 over 3. So now don't make this mistake of saying 2 here 2, 2 here 2 here 8. Oh, sorry about that. 2 in 8 4, 2 in 1000, and so on. So you might end up solving rubbish. So to avoid that, you have to make sure you put both 8 and 1000 in an index form to correspond with this power. So to put 8 in an index form, it means that 8 in an index form means I will have 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So 8 in an index form is 2 raised to the power 3. Also for 1000, I'm going to have 10 times 10, 100 times 10, 1000. So that is 10 raised to the power 3. So back here I have 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power of 3. So under law of ADC, we say what? Power multiply power. So if you look at this very well, this is what we have. 2 raised to the power 3, 1 over 3 over 10 raised to the power 3, 1 over 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. Divided by 3, we have 2 raised to the power 1. That is 2. 3 times 1, 3. Divided by 3, we have 1. That's 10 raised to, that is 10. So we can simplify further because 2 can go here 1, 2 can go here 5. And this is your final answer.